Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. From the moment you step through the gates of this remarkable Surrey residence, you're immediately drawn into a world that feels effortlessly elegant, deeply personal, and unmistakably refined. This is the home of renowned interior designer Sophie Paterson, a name that has become synonymous with timeless luxury, curated sophistication, and the kind of warm, livable design that inspires countless homeowners around the world. Today, we're taking you on an intimate, detailed journey through her private sanctuary, a home that embodies her signature style while revealing the true heart and philosophy behind her work. This isn't just a house tour, it's an exploration of how thoughtful design can elevate everyday life. The driveway alone sets the tone, gently winding toward the front entrance as meticulously maintained greenery frames the facade. The property sits in one of Surrey's most sought-after locations, surrounded by tall, mature trees, lush manicured borders, and an unmistakable sense of privacy. The home carries a classic architectural charm, blending traditional English character with subtle modern enhancements. The exterior, with its soft neutral tones and symmetrical glazing, gives off a calm and inviting presence, something Sophie is known for creating in all her spaces. Even before entering, you get a feeling of curated serenity. As the front door swings open, you're immediately enveloped in a space that feels warm yet structured, luxurious yet understated. Sophie's design style mixes a palette of layered neutrals, tactile fabrics, and bespoke craftsmanship, and all of those elements are on display within the first few seconds inside the entryway. Soft tops and creams blend with textured wall coverings, while carefully placed accents in antique brass and polished nickel add subtle contrast. The hallway is wide, bright, and beautifully proportioned, featuring a custom console table topped with elegant accessories. A large mirror reflects natural light deeper into the home, creating a sense of openness and flow. Moving from the hallway into the formal living room, the elegance intensifies. Sophie's commitment to symmetry is evident through the layout. Twin sofas facing each other, balanced by oversized armchairs and a centered coffee table displaying a curated selection of books, candles, and fresh florals. The walls are adorned with bespoke joinery and soft lighting, revealing a space designed not only for visual harmony, but also for comfort. Every cushion, throw, and accessory feels considered, creating a room that's inviting yet completely elevated. The way textures play together here, the velvet pillows, linen drapery, wool rugs, and polished furniture, adds incredible depth without ever feeling overwhelming. The color scheme is unmistakably Sophie, a range of neutrals that blend into each other, creating a rich and calming environment. Subtle patterns appear on custom-made cushions and upholstery, but each one is toned perfectly to maintain a cohesive look. The fireplace acts as the focal point, adorned with candles, decorative objects, and an oversized mirror that enhances the vertical height of the room. It's the kind of space where you can imagine hosting guests or relaxing quietly at the end of a long day. Transitioning to the dining area, the sophistication continues. The dining room is designed for both intimate dinners and larger gatherings. A striking dining table, crafted from high-quality wood and finished to perfection, sits at the center, complemented by elegant upholstered chairs that invite you to linger. Above it hangs a breathtaking chandelier, one of those statement pieces that instantly defines a room. Soft lighting plays an important role here, creating ambience and warmth. The walls are dressed in a textured wallpaper that adds dimension while staying within the home's overall neutral palette. As we move into the heart of the home, the open, planned kitchen and family living area, the tone shifts slightly toward a more relaxed, family-friendly feel while still maintaining ultimate luxury. This space is the soul of the house, a warm, functional, beautifully designed environment where everyday life unfolds. The kitchen is a masterpiece of design, custom cabinetry, high-end appliances, and an island that makes a bold yet refined statement. The island serves as both a practical workspace and a gathering spot, its stone countertop gleaming under the soft glow of pendant lighting. The kitchen palette is calm and neutral, with soft grays, tops, and crisp whites working together. What stands out most is the level of detail in the joinery. Every drawer, panel, and shelf is considered. The cabinetry is tailored with elegant hardware that complements the finishes perfectly. The high-end appliances blend seamlessly into the design, maintaining the clean, streamlined aesthetic Sophie is known for. The large windows bring in natural light, making the room feel fresh and open. Adjacent to the kitchen is the family living area, a cozy, inviting space designed for relaxation. Plush sofas and armchairs sit around a beautifully styled coffee table. Large glass doors open to the landscaped garden, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. Soft, layered fabrics make this room particularly comfortable, while the accessories and decor reflect Sophie's love of understated luxury. A mix of candles, framed artwork, coffee table books, and textured ceramics enhance the room without cluttering it. The garden views from this space are truly stunning. The outdoor area is meticulously designed, featuring manicured lawns, elegant planting, and carefully placed seating areas. It's the kind of garden that evolves beautifully throughout the seasons, providing a serene and private escape. Whether entertaining guests on a summer evening or enjoying a quiet coffee in the morning, this outdoor space extends the home's atmosphere of tranquility and balance. Back inside, the home office showcases a different dimension of Sophie's design sensibility. This room blends sophistication with functionality, offering a workspace that feels calming and inspiring. Darker tones and rich textures dominate the palette, creating a sense of focus. A large desk sits at the center, accompanied by comfortable seating and styled shelving that displays personal objects, books, and carefully chosen art pieces. It's a room that reflects thoughtful design while still feeling intimate and personal. The guest bedroom carries Sophie's signature aesthetic, elegant and soothing, with a palette centered on creams, sandy hues, and soft grays. Luxurious bedding, tailored furniture, and tasteful accessories create a hotel-like experience. Every bedroom in the home carries its own unique personality while maintaining the overarching sense of softness and serenity that defines the entire property. In the guest suite, the lighting is particularly beautiful, with soft lamps creating warm ambient light. Another beautifully designed space is the nursery, a gentle, whimsical room filled with soft textures and calming tones. Sophie's talent for combining practicality with beauty is truly evident here. The furniture pieces are both functional and timeless. Delicate patterns appear on the walls and fabrics, adding charm while keeping the palette soothing. The room feels peaceful, thoughtful, and perfect for a young child. Walking into the principal suite, you enter the most luxurious and personal area of the home. The primary bedroom is breathtaking, a refuge of calm, elegance, and layered textures. The tonal palette of warm neutrals creates a sense of tranquility, while the carefully chosen fabrics add depth and sophistication. The bed, dressed in high-quality linens and an array of perfectly arranged cushions, serves as the focal point. Upholstered furniture, custom bedside tables, and soft, glowing lamps enhance the room's cocoon-like ambience. The seating area within the suite creates a space for quiet moments, perfect for reading, reflecting, or enjoying morning coffee. Large windows fill the room with natural light, making the space feel airy and serene. Everything from the curtain fabric to the rug beneath your feet contributes to the overall mood of calm. The walk-in wardrobe is a dream in itself, stylish, functional, and impeccably organized. Custom cabinets, display drawers, and soft lighting make the space feel like a boutique dressing room. Shoes, bags, and accessories are beautifully displayed, and the layout is designed for ease and enjoyment. This level of luxury is what truly elevates the home. The attention to detail ensures that even the most practical spaces feel extraordinary. The ensuite bathroom is another masterpiece of refined luxury. Clad in natural stone with soft veining, it blends elegance with spa-like tranquility. The double vanity features sleek sinks and stunning hardware, with mirrors that reflect soft lighting around the room. A deep freestanding bathtub offers a perfect place to unwind, while the walk-in shower provides space and functionality. Every design choice, from the tiles to the fixtures, reinforces the calming and luxurious atmosphere. As we continue exploring, we find additional family bedrooms, each uniquely styled but consistent with the home's sophisticated aesthetic. These rooms include custom headboards, soft window treatments, textured rugs, and elegant lighting. Every detail, from the bedside tables to the artwork, is thoughtfully curated to create a cohesive and relaxing environment. The home's secondary bathrooms echo the main suite's spa-like feel with high-end materials, beautiful fixtures, and calming colors. These spaces are practical yet luxurious, offering comfort and elegance for family members and guests alike. Another standout area is the media room, a cozy, darker-toned space designed for entertainment and relaxation. Rich fabrics, layered lighting, and plush seating create an immersive environment for movie nights or quiet evenings with family. The acoustics and layout are thoughtfully designed for comfort and functionality. The room carries a slightly moodier palette, adding contrast to the home's lighter spaces without breaking the overall harmony. The utility and laundry areas are also beautifully designed, maintaining the home's aesthetic while serving a highly practical purpose. Custom cabinetry, clever storage solutions, and durable yet attractive finishes create a space that is both functional and enjoyable to use. Even the most utilitarian corners of this home reflect Sophie's commitment to thoughtful, elevated design. As we move back outside, the connection between interior and exterior becomes even more apparent. The garden is divided into various zones: a lounging area, a dining terrace, and quiet corners surrounded by greenery. Natural stone pathways guide you through the landscaped grounds. Each seating area is styled with outdoor cushions and accessories that echo the home's interior palette, creating a seamless transition. During warmer months, this outdoor space becomes an extension of the living areas, perfect for gatherings, relaxation, and enjoying the peaceful Surrey surroundings. One of the most impressive aspects of this home is the consistency of the design language. Sophie Paterson's talent lies in creating spaces that feel unified yet never repetitive. Every room has its own character while still tying back to the overall narrative of calm, timeless luxury. The use of natural materials, layered textures, and soft colors creates a sense of elegance without ever feeling ostentatious. It's a home built around comfort, warmth, and style. What makes this property truly special is the emotional atmosphere, the feeling you get walking through each space. There is a story behind every design choice, from the custom furniture to the curated accessories. The home feels lived in and loved, yet perfectly polished. Sophie's personal touches, family photos, art pieces, handcrafted objects add depth and authenticity. This isn't just a showcase of design expertise, it's a home filled with personality and soul. As the tour comes to an end, stepping back into the entryway completes the sense of journey. From the calm sophistication of the formal living spaces to the warmth of the family zones and the ultimate serenity of the bedroom suites, this Surrey home is a true reflection of thoughtful, elevated living. Sophie Paterson has created a sanctuary that balances luxury and comfort in a way that feels effortless and deeply inviting. This home demonstrates that true luxury isn't just about extravagant materials or grand spaces, it's about harmony, balance, and creating an environment where every detail contributes to a sense of well-being. This property embodies that philosophy in every corner and offers an inspiring example of how design can transform the way we experience life at home. As we take one final look back at this extraordinary residence, it's clear that Sophie Paterson has crafted a timeless masterpiece, one that blends design precision with heartfelt warmth. It's a haven of elegance in the heart of Surrey and a perfect reflection of her signature vision. Walking through this home, you don't just see luxury, you feel it.